In this video, I will show you how to apply conditional formatting on a dynamic calendar. For example, I have this monthly dynamic calendar and I have the log sheet on which I have the name of employees, start date, end date, and the status. Consider the first name from 26 till 30 January, we need to show as a green color. If I just go to my calendar, you can see from 26 till 30, this is in a green color. And not only this, if I click on the drop down and simply update the name to any other name, it will automatically highlight it all of the month based on our log sheet. How we can create this conditional formatting, I'm going to show you each and everything in this video. Consider I have this dynamic calendar. The first thing we need to build a formula for conditional formatting. I will build the entire formula in 3 easy steps. For now, I will click on B1 cell, click on formula bar, simply type count ifs function, open parenthesis. For the criteria one, I will click on log sheet, click on B2, drag the mouse down, simply update the end reference to 1000 rows. Now hit F4 key to log all of the reference, hit comma. For the criteria 1, we need to select the first cell on my calendar. But before that, we need to type quotation mark less than equal to quotation mark again and %, and now simply select the first cell on your calendar. In this case, I will select B6. Hit comma. For the criteria 2, again I will go to log sheet, click on C2, drag the mouse down, simply update the end reference to 1000 rows. Now hit F4 key to log all of the reference, hit comma on the very end. For the criteria 2, in this case again I will type quotation mark greater than equal to quotation mark again, type end %, and now again I will select the first cell on my calendar, close parenthesis, and now simply type greater than 0, hit enter. Now this is the first formula for our conditional formatting. What I need to do, I will copy this entire formula, hit Ctrl C, and now select all of the months in your calendar. Click on conditional formatting, new rule, use formula, click here, Ctrl V. For the format, in this case, I will assign the green color for now. Simply hit OK, OK, and this is how we apply our first formula. The next thing, we need to include the name in our conditional formatting. Again, I will click on B1 cell, simply remove greater than 0. Also, the last closing parenthesis, hit comma. For the criteria range 3, again I will click on log sheet, click on A2, drag the mouse down and simply update the end reference to 1000 rows. Now hit F4 key to log the reference, hit comma. For the criteria 3, I will click on the drop down. Now hit F4 key to log the reference, close parenthesis, and again type greater than 0. Now again I will click on B1 and simply copy this entire formula, hit Ctrl C, click anywhere on the calendar, conditional formatting, manage rule, edit rule, and now I will remove this entire formula, hit Ctrl V, simply hit OK and hit OK. Now you can see based on selected name, it will highlight the calendar months. The only thing we need to add the status column. To include a status column, again I will click on B1 cell. After the criteria 3, we need to type comma. For the criteria range 4, I will click on log sheet. In this case, I will click on D2, drag the mouse down, simply update the end reference to 1000 rows, hit F4 key to log the reference, hit comma, and for the criteria 4, we need to type quotation mark, approve, quotation mark again, and now copy this entire formula, hit Ctrl C, and now click anywhere on the calendar, conditional formatting, manage rule, edit this formula, remove everything, hit Ctrl V, and now simply hit OK and apply this formula. The only thing we need to duplicate this formula 3 times. I will click on the formula, simply duplicate this one 3 times. Click on the first edit rule. Now click on the formula bar. Hit F2 key so that we can edit the formula here. And now simply go to the end. Instead of approved, we need to type pending. For the format, we need to change this, let's say a light orange color. Hit OK and hit OK. I will select the second one, edit rule. Click here, hit F2 key, click on right arrow key and simply update the approve to, let's say, denied. And I will simply choose this red color, more color, custom, and I will make a little bit lighter. Simply hit OK and hit OK. Now we need to hit OK again. OK, and this is how our conditional formatting is working. Now if I change the name, each and everything is totally dynamic. Of course, you can assign the color as per this color, but this is how you can apply conditional formatting based on multiple rules. I hope you learned something useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. If you have anything else, just write me a comment. Thank you so much.